first start attempt on the 1977 Chevy Blazer.
Sender.
Oh! First try. Man, just need some fuel.
The choke works too. I know.
Yeah. Man, need some tires, but I got some right there. We're good to go. We're in business. Wow. Too easy. It's amazing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shut her down. So it's got a leaking fuel line in the back, so we probably need to replace all the rubber fuel line fixtures. But this one should run with some fresh gas and maybe a little bit of a carb clean. Man, amazing. This one, on the other hand, this one is a little sticky. It turns over, but needs probably a fresh battery, some new ground cables maybe, and a bit more loving. But this one's mint. All right, so working on top of the Jimmy, and got the spark plug just about back in. Putting the last one in. We got this nice wobble joint on this electric ratchet. Works real well. Where is that thing? No, I'm not going to find it like this. But anyways, we put oil on the spark plug cylinders over the last couple days, and now it turns over much more happily. And we checked a new battery in it, so that's good to go. Also, Crocs. So let's get her done. All right, we're going to put some gas down the old carby and see if she fires. Hold on a second there. Okay, we got some gas.
Hi, YouTube. A little more.
A little more? A little more? All right.
That's how you want to do it, all over and at risk of fire.
Yes. All right. Go.
Ready?
Sender.
All right, here we go.
Woo! Wow. It's quiet too. Good oil pressure?
The gauge is kind of flickering.
Oh, but hey,
it's moving.
The gauge moves. Ah!
And it idles.
Wow. Need some gas. Gas tank's kind of empty, but cool. Nice. Wow, it burns the stuff. So, with minimal effort, she's running. Yeah, I know. Man, look at that. Look at this unit. Look at it go. All right, gassing up the old pig. It goes in reverse and drive, and it moves, and gonna test the brakes up and down this driveway probably, but wow, look at this machine. So it works, runs, drives, stops. Going out for our first drive, heading down to the gas station, then we'll take her home. Unbelievable. Wow, she's a little bumpy. Oh, that's the flat spots in the bias plies. Nice. Wow, nice and peppy shifting. Yeah, I know, bias ply mud blockers, you're right, great. Woohoo! No, they don't ride great. We already made it to the gas station. Wow, took like 10 gallons, but got the vent window open. Thing was riding like a roller coaster in the apocalypse. What?
10 gallons on the way here, the 3 miles.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes, we're putting. Yes. All the. Oh, there's so much nasty mold. I'm gonna drive this bad boy. Come on, where's the hood release? Oh boy. It's literally like driving a tank from World War II, and I could not be more happy. In fact, we trust it so much, we're going to the car wash. Woohoo! Yes. Get the moss removed. I can't grab all of them. There we go. I dropped one. Come back here. No, I'm sorry. Gotcha. Oh yeah, time to wash off Big Chungus. Get rid of this grease and grime and mud and moss and awesomeness. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Get out of there. Woohoo! Oh, it's cold. There's so much moss. I made a smiley face. Alright. Alright. Oh! Oh, it's so manky! Oh! Ow! 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 Oh! Wow! Man, it's like there's paint underneath this thing or something. Holy crap! Man, I love this truck so much already. Wow. Woo.
That's good.
Yes.
That is so much better.
Sierra Classic.
Don't need to stand on the top and then just scrape it. It's so
Legit.
bad.
Get like a square shovel.
Yeah.
Or like a plastic putty knife and just spend a few hours of quality time up here.
I mean, if you probably
It's like 6.5 feet up.
the rinse and then just sat there,
Yeah.
it'd probably be the best.
Or go to Christian's shop.
Yeah, you can do that too, yeah. All clean. I feel bad for the guy who has to clean that though. There's a lot of moss. And here she rolls. So good. Well, there's Justin. Ooh.
It's an accelerator pump. Just out there. Getting some pizza at the Quick Trip. It's the best place to go when you're hungry after doing a bunch of work on a sweet blazer.
Quarantined, so.
Oh, I mean, there's that. 6 feet. 6 feet. 6 feet. We're good.
Alright folks, speedometer is at maximum overdrive! We're breaking up, Captain! Psych, but just about! Alright, we made it home, eating our pizza. Blazer out there, working great. Even Y100 came on the radio. It's a good day. That's all for today, and we'll start up tomorrow.